This is Mark the Meerkat. Hey, as we are celebrating the Independence Day here in the U.S., let us also be celebrating our right to financial independence. So let's get right into one of our trades here. Hey, this was a trade on MU. Here it was in pre-market. It was up nice and big, but then as soon as the market opened, bam, it fell down. It was starting to do a bear pullback here. If you want to know more about a bear pullback, you can go to our free education site, which is called freeonlinetradingeducation.com. That's right. What a clever name that is. And go to our chart school, which of course is free. And then right over here under patterns, we want to look at the bearish pattern as the bear pullback, also called a pullback sell. We go to it, the description of it, it's falling, it's coming back up to a line of resistance, and as it starts to roll down, and if the market is rolling down too, wow, the odds are in our favor, and away we go. We want to get short. You can read about it there. Here's a couple of examples from daily charts where it's happened before, pull back and then pull back and fell down. That's where we want to look at what we're looking for. So back here to MU, it was down here, came up here to the line of resistance, which was the pivot line. That's what that yellow line is. Started to roll down, set an order to see to let the market come to me. Let's get short, and bam, 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 there it goes, and now bam, it went down again here. I'm in at $31.10, and I set my stop right up here. Set my stop up here just above 31.30. Very little at risk there at about 0.2, 0.3%. And then bam, it fell down here again, bringing my stop here to break even though it's approaching its S1 pivot line down here. Let's see what happened after that. And I keep managing my stop here. And I'm going to pull it down here in the money. Pulling it in the money. It's still falling here. And now it's really down here. I'm going to pull it down. Look at it. Started to do a bear pullback here again, but stopped here underneath this S1 pivot, and the 8 EMA started to roll down again, bringing my stop here just above that pivot line. And now it's just basing down here. I'm still in the trade. And now look at that, bam, 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 it fell down below this even dollar amount, $30, which it had been basing above there. Now I'm going to bring my stop down here, and look at it, dipped all the way down here to 29.71, and then it started to come back up. So I'm bringing my stop, I'm going to put it just above the even $30 amount, and this 8 EMA, give me two shields to protect my stop, and oh no, boom, it popped up, and just enough to stop me out, and then look at that, it's based and then took off again. But right there is where it stopped me out at $30.05 for 3.4% in 25 minutes. Hoo-ah! Love it when that happens. This is Mark the Meerkat, and on this 4th of July weekend, hey, just remember that if you're going to be flying a kite, you first check the direction of the wind. If you're going to trade, first check the direction of the market. Have a great 4th of July, and trade well.